Welcome back to Wealth with Yasma, where we turn financial struggles into success stories. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, a topic that's both exciting and intimidating for many. Whether you're looking to invest or simply curious, you're in the right place. Ever wondered what cryptocurrency is? Perhaps you've heard the term tossed around in casual conversation, or you've seen it in the news. It's a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. Now that might sound a bit complex, so let's break it down. Firstly, the word cryptocurrency is a blend of two words, cryptography and currency. Cryptography is the craft of writing or solving codes, while a currency is a system of money in general use in a particular country. So essentially, cryptocurrency is a coded form of money. But unlike the physical bills and coins that we're used to, cryptocurrency exists only in the digital world. Now, you may be wondering, how does cryptocurrency work? Well, it's based on technology called blockchain. A blockchain is a chain of digital information stored in a public database. Each of these blocks of data is secured and linked to each other using cryptographic principles. Hence the name, cryptocurrency. The first and most famous example of cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009. It's advisable to educate yourself and understand what you're investing in and why. Next, choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange platform. This is where you'll buy, sell, and store your cryptocurrency. Remember, starting small is key. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. Most platforms allow you to purchase fractions. How does one acquire cryptocurrency, you ask? Cryptocurrencies can be bought on an exchange using traditional money, earned through a process called mining, or received as a payment. Once acquired, they're stored in a digital wallet, which can be used to buy goods and services, or held as an investment. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be a lucrative venture, but it is not without its risks. The value of cryptocurrencies is extremely volatile. They can increase or decrease in value very quickly, which can result in significant gains or losses. It's important to invest only on what you can afford to lose. Additionally, beware of security risks. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and consider using a hardware wallet for extra protection. As we look to the future, cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology hold the promise to transform industries, from finance to healthcare, by offering secure, transparent, and efficient ways to conduct transactions and manage data. While the journey of cryptocurrency is still unfolding, one thing is clear: we are witnessing the evolution of a new and exciting digital economy. We've all heard the success stories, people making fortunes overnight. While these are inspiring, they're not the norm. For every success story, there are countless others who faces losses. Approach cryptocurrency with caution, patience, and a long-term perspective. Cryptocurrency is an exciting frontier in the financial world, but it's not without its challenges. By staying informed and cautious, you can navigate their space more safely. We've only scratched the surface today, but we hope this has sparked your curiosity to learn more and explore the world of digital currencies. Remember, Wealth with Yasma is here to guide you through your financial journey every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. To get there, let's turn your financial struggles into success stories. See you in the next video.